empty ass gas tank. It ran the whole tank.
Oh, damn.
I didn't mean to be taking this far apart, but I think you're right about the plug.
It'll be interesting to see it twice so. Alright, one last test. The 1950 something Massey Ferguson, so these tires are not going to be 70. They're old. It's the same as the Nobbies almost. This is a newer tire here. This one might be soft actually. No. It's hard. This is the hardest tire that I've measured all day.
Michael, you want to ride this? Now that we got the idle set higher, see if it's,
Yeah. Oh yeah.
see if it does, because I can't make it do what you made it do.
Okay.
So, tell me if it's doing it, that would help. I know it's you. There it was. Damn it, Bob. Kick that bitch. I would go down the driveway personally. I don't like to I just had it. But it's just my height. See, I mean, it's front. I'm like no feet on the ground. Holy cow! The brake in the front is crazy. Okay, gonna brake a little bit here. Get in here, it's back in the second gear. Once you get past this corner, you can just hammer it. On the farm, folks, on the farm. Stay out of first gear through here. So much traction and speed right there you can gain on that little stretch. You can make up time right there, but I'm gonna be outbraked right here, big time. Bye.